Hello, my lovelies. My name is Lecka, and today we are going to be talking about how much money do small streamers make, like myself, on Kick. Now, obviously, I cannot speak for everybody on the platform. Everyone's situation is going to be unique and different, but you still clicked on this video anyway, and you knew that. So, let's go ahead and talk about my particular situation as a small streamer. Now, you might be wondering, how small of a streamer are you, Lecka? Well, I stream on Kick, and I am there 4 days a week. So, I'm there Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays, and Saturdays. I'm extremely consistent with my streaming schedule. I'm there from 6 to 9 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. If you guys want to follow me, by the way, the link is in the description down below. In addition, it'll be across the screen here. It's kick.com/LeckaTV. Besides that, I have less than 500 followers. I have less than 100 subs. I have only 6 recurring subs, and the other 70 subs that I have at the moment are all gifted. So, the majority of my subs are gifted. I only have 6 recurring people that have subbed themselves to my channel rather than being gifted a sub to my channel. And I have 14, I believe. Yes, last time I checked, it was 14 average viewers. So I don't have hundreds of people watching me. I don't have thousands of subs. I don't have, tons and tons of money. This is what I made in December, streaming 12 hours a week for 4 weeks throughout the month. So if we switch over here, you will see that on my revenue page, which you can get to yourself by going to your creator dashboard on Kick, going to the monetization tab on the left and clicking on revenue, which we have done already here. You can see that I made $356. On December 10th, I got 5 gifted subs. On December 19th, I got 40. On December 23rd, I got 11. And on December 30th, I got 14. And of course, I had like 1 or 2 on these other days as well. As of being 2 weeks into January for this month, currently, I have made $104.28. Now, you might be thinking, damn, Lecka, that's a lot. And it is. To me, it is a lot of money. The fact that I was able to make $350 was an amazing payout to have received in December. Come January 1st, that was a really nice payout from Kick. And I'm hoping to get to $250 by the end of the month of January. In the last 2 weeks, that would be great to hit, but we'll see if that happens. My goal is to hopefully have another 1 or 2 people who are recurring subs to the channel. Gifted subs are great, but I would like to see growth in the regular sub, recurring sub category for my own channel, because I eventually want to be verified. And one of the qualifications for getting verified is having 20 people sub to your channel, not be gifted a sub to your channel. They sub themselves. And that's something I would really like to hit. So the fact that we're at 6 already is a great start. I love that. And we're going to continue going on throughout the year with that. But it is really nice because my eventual goal, with the only way to monetize on Kick right now being through subs, which is a 95-5 split, which is why the payout is so high. If I had the same amount on Twitch, it would be 50% less. So I'd only get about $128 instead of the $356 that I have right now, which is way better. I would much rather have the $356 than the $128 that I would have gotten on Twitch for the same amount of subs. The eventual goal that I have as a streamer is that I want to be able to see my payout, whether it's future payout or the one for the entire month, is be able to pay my editors with the money that I make from content creation. So Nitro, who's my editor for this channel, hi Nitro, say hi to everybody. He is editing my videos 2 times a week. He does the 2 shorts as well. I want to be able to pay him every week like I usually do, with the money entirely that I make from streaming right now, instead of having to pay him from some of the stream money and then some of my daytime job too, because this is not my full-time gig. As a small streamer, you could probably guess, I also have a day job just like you. So this is something that I do on the side. And it would be nice for my gaming channel, which again, link is in the description if you guys are interested in my gaming channel. It's LeckaPlay, youtube.com/@LeckaPlay. See you there. For that, be able to have my editor for that channel be paid with the money that I make from streaming as well. But again, that's something that we'll see in the future. Right now, it's not sustainable to be able to pay both of my editors entirely from the 104 that I have right now and the 356 that I had from there. Obviously, that's still a lot of money, but it's not where I am going to be working towards making that. Now, you might be thinking, okay, Lecka, how do I get the same results that you have right now? I am a similar sized channel. I have a similar audience of about 14 CCV or so. I have a similar sub count, etc. Or I don't have a similar sub count, and I would like to get my sub count to be similar to yours because I have the same size followers ish and I have the same size CCV-ish? Well, there's a few different things that you can do. The very first thing that you need to do is be consistent. If nobody knows when to expect you to be live, why would they show up? So if you don't have a solid set stream schedule, make that your first priority. With that out of the way, the next thing that you should do is set a sub goal on your stream that is clearly visible for anybody watching to help you achieve. Make it reasonable for the size community you have. If you need to make it 10 because you have no subs right now and you're new to being an affiliate, awesome, make it 10. Make it achievable. Make it something that people want to help you hit. And next as well, be sure that you are doing calls to action for subs. So say, hey, if you guys are really enjoying the content and you're financially able to do so, I would love to have you guys support the stream. All money that goes towards the stream deck that I want to get to improve content, or a camera that I want to do to improve content, or to my editors, or to whatever, right? You can say whatever you want to and whatever fits what you're trying to do with the money from that for whatever your purpose is. And besides the calls to action, you also want to make sure that you are having reminders in your chat as well with timers. So with whatever bot you're using, if you're using BotRix, I can show you how to do that with the eye icon in the top right corner here. I talk all about how to use BotRix and using it for streaming specifically. But make sure that your timers encourage people to sub, and when you see that reminder pop up in chat, use it as an opportunity to do a quick, short CTA to encourage people to sub and help you reach your goal that you can point to while you're live to say, hey, goal is on the screen here in whatever area you decided to put it, make it happen, right? Like, help me make this a reality so that we can hit this goal and hit this achievement together. And it makes sense. If you never call for people to do it, it's very unlikely that it will happen. And the more you make people aware of it, the better it'll be for helping you get to the goals that you want to get to. Now, that doesn't mean mention it every 3 seconds, because you don't want to cram it down people's throats to the point where they get turned off and think you're only in it for the money, right? So you want to have that balance of saying, okay, when I see the timer pop up, I'll do a short, like 10-second CTA of asking people to sub if they're able to help me reach the goal. The goal is XYZ. Bam, done. Continue streaming and doing my show like I normally do. Simple as that. You don't have to mention it every 3 minutes, you know, you can just do it whenever you see the timer pop up, or if it pops up twice in a row or something and you already did it, you don't have to do it again. It's at your discretion, but just make sure you're not cramming it down to people's throat, because you're not a salesman, you are a streamer, and you want to make sure that you are being courteous to your audience and making them feel like they're watching a show and having a really good time, not watching a advertisement when advertisements aren't even a thing on Kick yet. That's gonna be it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed the content, make sure to go ahead and lick that like button and subscribe, because not only does it taste delicious, but it also helps us out with the channel tremendously. And if you guys would be so kind as to go over to my Kick as well, again, kick.com/LeckaTV. I would love to see you guys follow me over on there and talk to me live. Like I said, I'm there Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays, and Saturdays from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. And I love talking to you guys about content creation, about streaming, about all that stuff. So feel free to talk with me about gaming or anything that you guys have on your mind while I'm live, while I'm chilling, while I'm chatting with all of y'all. But without taking up any more of y'all's time, I will go ahead and let you beautiful people go. Goodbye, my lovelies.